Okay, let's start with the contents of this video. First, I will explain that what is the need of camera interface with the MATLAB, and then I will show you that how we can install the webcam and IPcam hardware support package for MATLAB, which is necessary to access the hardware. And then I will show you by writing the MATLAB code that how you can access the laptop's inbuilt webcam as well as the external USB webcam, and how we can take a snapshot, we can preview and even record a video clip. And then I will show you that how you can convert your mobile phone as a IP camera and how you can access that with the help of some third-party Android application. And then I will show you by writing the MATLAB code that how you can access your mobile phone as IPcam to take snapshots or preview a video. So let's start this video. First, let's see the need of the camera interface. Obviously, there are several projects generally we implement and which are very popular among the students, which require the images or videos as primary input. For example, the face identification and recognition is one very popular, and similarly the face recognition based security system or attendance system, or the facial recognition, expression recognition, and then object identification and classification such as leaves and flowers and color based object classification, and similarly the plant disease identification and vegetables and fruits quality inspection system. We can implement the vehicle license plate recognition and the vehicle logging system and the fire detection in some scenes. So to implement all these projects, obviously the first requirement is to interface a camera with your laptop or with your PC with some software such as MATLAB for analyzing that what are the contents of that video or image. So let me tell you that how you can install the hardware support package for webcam and IPcam. If you do not this, your MATLAB will not recognize any of the camera hardware. Okay. So to install the hardware support packages, first you need to log into your MathWorks account. So this login you can find it from here. When you see the MATLAB window, at the top right corner you can find that login is written here. So when you press this login, a pop-up will appear where you can put your ID and password to enter in MathWorks account. So in the coming slides, let me explain you that how you can install the hardware support packages. Okay, now let's see that how we can download the hardware support packages and how we can install it. So the first step is that you must log into your MathWorks account. So to log in, first locate this login at the top right corner. So just pressing it, login, you will get this pop-up where you can write your email address which is tied with your MathWorks account, and then password. So let me write my password. So just press this sign in and you get sign in to your MathWorks account. So here you can see your name. For example, I can see my name here. So now I'm ready to install the hardware support package. So for that, just go to this add-on. So you can see this add-on button, press it, and in the last you can see the get hardware support packages. So just pressing it, the another window will open where you can see various hardware support packages. Okay, this is the list of hardware support packages available in the MATLAB. You can see that there are total 304 hardware support packages, and here clearly you can see that there you can locate that MATLAB support package for USB webcams. So you can install it. So when you press it, you can see the details about this package, and now you will see the two tabs here. Since it is already installed in my computer, so I'm seeing these two tabs, learn more and manage. So if you are installing this in first time in your PC, in place of manage, there will be the install button. So when you press it, install button, it will ask for the two options. One is only installation or download. So you can install it easily, and it will take some time for downloading the package, and then it will install it automatically. So this is a automatic process, so no need to worry about it. So this is for MATLAB support package for USB webcam. Similarly, since we are accessing the IPcam, so we need the IPcam hardware support package. You can locate it. Yes, this one is the MATLAB support package for IP cameras. So you can also install it by the same steps as I mentioned. Okay, so this is very easy step, and it is required to run the commands related to the webcams and IPcams in the MATLAB. Okay, now let me jump to my presentation. Now let us write the MATLAB code for accessing the laptop's inbuilt webcam and the external USB webcam. For this, first we will execute this command webcam list. So it will show you that a list of all attached cameras to your laptop at the moment. So when I execute this to my system, it gives me this information. So where it shows that there are two cameras which are attached to my laptop. One is the integrated webcam, and other is the external USB camera which is connected to my laptop right now. So I can access them one by one. Let me show you. So first I'm accessing the integrated webcam of my laptop. So for this you need to create a camera object with a webcam. So the cam1 is created by executing this command, and then when you execute preview, by executing this you will be able to see that what my camera is actually capturing live. And you can take one snapshot also. You can save that frame, and you can see that frame using ImShow. And once your job is done, you can clear this camera object, so MATLAB will stop accessing your laptop inbuilt camera. So let me try this code in MATLAB. So for that I will jump to the MATLAB. So first I will execute this webcam function to create the camera1 object. So camera1 object is created, and then I can preview that what it is capturing right now. So cam1, so let me execute it. So this is me. So this is me at this moment when this camera is taking my video. Okay, so let me close it, and you can take a snapshot also. So let's say img1 equal to snapshot cam1. Okay, so it will take snapshot. So snapshot is done. You can see in the workspace your img1 variable is created. So what I have captured, let me show you with the ImShow img1. So this is my image which is captured by this camera object. So let me clear this camera object cam1. Sorry, it is only clear cam1. So camera is now closed. So let me jump back to my presentation. So here I will show you that how you can access your external USB camera. So the command will remain same. You just need to put the hardware name in that webcam function. Okay, so that is the USB 2 PC camera as shown by the list here. You can see this one. So let me try this in MATLAB. Okay, so in the MATLAB I will create this camera object. So you can see that camera object 2 cm2 webcam, and this is the name of my hardware, which is the name of the external USB webcam. So let me execute it. Okay, so the camera 2 is created, you can see here, and now let me preview it. So you can execute this preview. Okay, so this is what my USB camera is capturing right now. So let me show you. It is my laptop. Okay, and it's me. So this is how you can access your external USB webcam. Okay, you can take one snapshot also. So let define one variable img2 equal to snapshot cam2. Okay, so a photo is taken, and let me show you what I have taken. So I am show img2. Okay, so this is the frame which is captured by this snapshot command. Okay, so let me clear this camera object. So now camera is stopped. Let me jump to my presentation. Now I will show you one example MATLAB code by executing which you can capture a small video clip with this external USB webcam. So for this, first you need to define a webcam object, and then define a time duration in seconds for how much you want to capture the video, and then define FPS, that is a frame per seconds, and then obviously the number of frames will be the times into FPS, and then declare a video writer object with your file name. So your output will be saved with this file name myvideo.mp4 in the current directory. Now open this video writer object, and then define a for loop from 1 to number of frames. That means how many frames you want to capture. So by executing this snapshot cam, your each snapshot will be stored in img, and at the same time they will be written to this video, okay, using that write video command, and then wait for a time t upon n. That means it is a pause which is given purposely to create the FPS. That means the number of frames per second. That means 30. That means I want total 30 frames per second. So once job is done, let us close this video writer, and then clearing this camera object. So let me try this in MATLAB. So okay, let me execute this program. It is already written here. So let me run this button. Okay, so my USB webcam is capturing the video, you can see. Okay, it's done. So let me show you that what I have captured. So go to the current directory, which is this. Let me open that folder. Okay, so here you can see that myvideo.mp4 file is created. So let me open it, what I have captured to see. So this is what I am capturing with my external USB webcam. Okay. So that was a 20-second video. Now let me jump to my presentation. So now I will show you that how you can make your mobile phone as IP camera. So this is the example MATLAB code for this. So first we will create a camera object with the IPcam, and in the IPcam we need to provide the IP address of that IP camera. So this IP address is generally written on the camera itself. And if you do not have a camera, IP camera, then you can use your mobile phone as IP camera. So I will show you that how you can do it in the coming slides. And then by executing this preview, you can you can have a live preview of your video, and then you can take snapshot. You can visualize that snapshot, and after work is done, you can clear that camera object. So let me show you that how you can use your mobile phone as IP camera. So for that I need a third-party Android application by which I can convert my mobile phone as IP camera. So what are those Android applications? For that, just open the Google Play and write this IPcam in the search box. So you will have a list of number of applications which are shown here. So there are several applications. You can use any one of them, but I used this IP webcam from Pavel. It is one of the most popular application to convert your mobile phone as IP cam. So when you open it, you can have some description here, and after installing it, you just open this IP webcam on your Android phone and simply start a web server there, and you can access then live video stream which is coming from your mobile phone. So in the coming slide, I will show you that how you can access this IP webcam and how you can access the live video stream in the MATLAB. So let me jump to my mobile phone. Okay, this is my mobile phone home screen, and let me open that IP webcam mobile Android application. So you can see the IP webcam icon here, and let me press it to open it. You get this type of interface, and scroll down to the last. At the last, you will see the start server, begin serving video stream. Let me press it. So when you press it, you get the camera interface, and the video is now visible on the mobile phone screen. In the bottom of the screen, you can see some IPv4 addresses. Here you can see that IPv4 address for HTTP and HTTPs are 192.168.1.4 and port number is 8080. So these IP address you can open in your web browser on your laptop or PC, but mind this, your mobile phone and your laptop must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let me show you by opening my laptop and accessing these IP addresses on my laptop, whether I will get this video stream there or not. So let me try these IP address in my web browser. Okay, this is my Chrome browser. Now in this web browser, I will enter that IP address which I have obtained from that mobile application which is converting my mobile as IP camera. So let me put that IP address here. That was the 192.168.1.4 and IP address was 8080. So let me press enter, and now I get this type of interface here. So to get that live stream video, let me press this browser button here. Okay, so now this is the live video which I'm getting from my mobile phone. So you can see that this is the live video stream. So now I will show you that how you can access this live video stream in MATLAB. So for that, let me open the MATLAB. For that, first I will create the camera object with the IPcam. So I will put the same address here. That was 192.168.1.4 and colon 8080. That was the port address. Okay, so let me okay, but this is giving error, and it says that URL input needs to be the MJPEG HTTP. I mean it is not able to connect to that remote camera, so there is a problem in the URL. So to get the correct URL, let me go back to the browser and click right click on this video and copy the image address. Here you can see copy image address. Let me press it. So here I got the correct URL. So what I got, let me see in the notepad. Let me paste it. So this is the correct URL of that live video stream. So I will execute the IPcam with this new address. So instead of that old IP, I will put this new one with this appended extra term, which is the video. So let me press enter. So now I am not getting any problem, no error. And here in the workspace you can see that camera object is created. So now let me execute the preview command to get the live stream in the MATLAB. So let me press preview cam. So yes, I'm getting this live stream in the MATLAB from my mobile phone. So my mobile phone is working as an IPcam. So I can capture this video, or I can take some snapshot also. So let me take some snapshot. So let me define one variable image equal to snapshot, and then camera object cam. Okay, so my snapshot is taken. You can see here the image variable is created, and I can see what I have captured by IamShow. So IamShow image. So this frame I can see. Okay, this is what I have captured. So you can see my fingers while I was typing. So this is how you can make your mobile phone as IP camera in MATLAB, and you can capture the live stream. So this is all about this video. Thank you.